Do you have some space and want to grow your own food but don't know how to take a step forward? Come, join us for the Organic Farming Workshop to be held at Serene Eco Village and take a hands-on experience in organic farming. Starting from 2nd June to 4th June, you will get a chance to take a guidance from the expert facilitators and listen to their experience. Opportunity to learn about the uses of medicinal and herbal plants of more than 70 varieties. That too along with 100% organic meals and comfortable stay in the lap of nature. For more details, feel free to contact on 9657 614447. So hurry, what are you waiting for? Book your seats now for the Organic Farming Workshop and start growing your own food. See you soon.